Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Bravo versus Bubble versus Adalo. Bravo, Bubble and Adalo are all no-code or low-code platforms that help users build web and mobile applications without needing extensive programming knowledge. Bravo focuses on converting designs often from Figma into fully functional mobile apps. Bravo excels in turning Figma prototypes into mobile apps, which is great for designers. It focuses on native mobile apps, so it's ideal for iOS and Android. Bravo allows for a lot of customization and interaction even without writing code. Bravo more focused on mobile apps than web apps and some learning curve with the integration from design tools like Figma. While Bubble known for building fully fledged web applications from marketplaces to social networks. Bubble allows for complex workflows and database management, which is great for creating web apps with heavy user interaction and dynamic content. You have more control over the app's functionality and design compared to other no-code platforms. There's a large community and many tutorials, which makes it easier to learn and troubleshoot. Bubble primarily web-based, though you can create responsive designs that work on mobile. Bubble has a steeper learning curve than some other no-code platforms because of its extensive feature set. While Adalo best known for creating mobile apps with a visual interface and drag-and-drop elements. Adalo extremely intuitive for beginners and non-technical users. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build apps. It makes it easy to build mobile apps that can be published directly to the app stores, iOS and Android. Adalo has built-in database management, making it easy to manage app data without needing external integrations. Somewhat limited in terms of more complex app functionalities, especially compared to Bubble. The visual design options can sometimes feel restrictive compared to other platforms. So basically, Bravo is ideal if you already have a design in Figma and want to convert that directly into a mobile app without writing code. It's tailored more for mobile app creation. Bubble is best for creating more complex web applications with robust functionality. It's ideal for apps requiring sophisticated workflows and back-end login. Adalo is a great option for beginners or those looking for a simple, user-friendly platform to create mobile apps quickly with an emphasis on ease of use over flexibility.